friends, welcome to Navani's Spice Magic. Today I am going to prepare Karnataka's most popular dish Akki Roti along with raw tomato chutney. This Akki Roti is very tasty and healthy, loaded with veggies. Raw tomato chutney has a very unique flavor in itself and tastes just awesome. Let's check the process. Now for making Akki Roti, we need salt. I have taken green chili paste. If you like, you can even add chopped green chilies instead of paste. Carrot grated. This is dill leaves. Bottle gourd grated. Onions very finely chopped. Rice flour. You can alter any of the veggies if you don't like. If you don't like onions, you can just avoid them, or if you like only onions and you don't like other things, you can just ignore them, but it tastes great with this combination. First we will add bottle gourd, grated bottle gourd, then carrot, dill leaves. You can even add coriander leaves, but dill leaves taste great. Onions. Onions, make sure you chop it very finely, because while making roti, the roti will not break. Green chili paste. Salt to taste. First, we will mix these properly, because the veggies release a lot of water from them. So first we'll mix them properly. Some people add cumin seeds into this. We don't like to eat cumin seeds in this, so I am not adding. If you like, you can just add some cumin seeds into them. Now we'll start adding rice flour. We'll just check the consistency, because there is no fixed quantity. The dough shouldn't be too tight. It should be soft. So accordingly I'll be adding them. And in case if it becomes too tight, then we need to add some water and then make roti. Now this is done. We will start making rotis. Now let's start making the Akki rotis. For that I have taken a baking sheet. If you don't have baking sheet, you can take holige paper, or on the banana leaves also you can make these. So I have taken this and greasing it little oil so that it doesn't get stuck to this. Now I'll be taking a small portion of this Akki roti mixture and spread it as thin as possible. Now this is done, we will start heating it on the tawa. Now the tawa is heated. We'll just add a little oil, grease the tawa a little bit. Now this one we'll flip it over this. After a few minutes, it will start leaving it, then we can remove the paper. Now we can remove the paper and make one more Akki roti on this sheet. Let it fry properly on both the sides. Now let's flip this to the other side. Let this side also cook properly. First, let's see the ingredients for raw tomato chutney, instant raw tomato chutney. We need garlic. This is a big pot, so I have taken one. Cumin seeds, half a teaspoon. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, few coriander leaves, few green chilies according to your taste. I've taken 3 medium size raw tomatoes and chopped them. First, let's heat a kadai. Add a little oil, not much, just to saute these. Let's add cumin seeds. Green chilies. Add garlic. Once these green chilies and garlic are fried, then we'll add sesame seeds. Now we'll add sesame seeds. Let's fry them properly. Now this is done. We will transfer this into a plate. Now to the same kadai, we'll add little oil. Let's add tomato, coriander, salt. Mix this, and once the tomatoes are cooked, we will turn off the stove. Now this is done. It is cooked. So we'll turn off the stove and allow it to cool down completely. Later we'll grind it. First, we will grind the green chilies and sesame seeds what we have fried and kept. Now we will add tomatoes and grind it again. You have to grind it coarsely, it shouldn't be a smooth paste. Now this is done. We will transfer this into a bowl and then season it. Now heat a kadai, add little oil to this. Now we'll add urad dal, mustard seeds and cumin seeds. We'll add little hing. We'll add few chopped garlic. Now we'll add few curry leaves. Now we'll add this to the chutney. So our delicious akki roti with raw tomato chutney is ready to be savored. Akki roti is very healthy and mostly eaten as breakfast or dinner item. Instead of rice flour, you can even use ragi flour, bajra flour or jawar flour, or even a mix of all these flours. Anyways, it tastes great. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.